Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS 34-inch WQHD color monitor. So friend, ASUS introduced the VA34VCPSR 34-inch UWQHD color monitor, and the model is equipped with a docking station feature offering a variety of connectivity options, making it suitable for use with the laptops that typically have limited interface, and the monitor support USB power delivery PD up to 96 watt and allowing it to power connected device, and it also include a wired network connection, 3 USB 3.2 generation 1 type A port, headphone jack, built-in 2 watt into 2 speakers, and the monitor utilizes a 1500R curvature VA panel, providing a brightness of 300 cadmium per meter square with a contrast ratio of 3000 Gen 1, and it supports 1.07 billion colors with refresh rate of 100 Hz and response time of 4 milliseconds. And the monitor also supports HDR10 for enhanced dynamic range and offers a 178-degree viewing angle both horizontally and vertically. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.